Good morning. Yeah, it's me again. You know who I am, and for those of you who don't, my name is Jim, and this is Totally Relaxed. Today I'm doing my third and final test on the iPhone on the gimbal. However, today and right now as you're watching, I am not on the manual gimbal that I bought recently. I am on the HoHem I-Steady motorized gimbal, and I'm loving it. I'm loving the stabilization. It is quite different. I've kind of been playing with it a little bit last night and a little bit this morning, and I'm starting to get the hang of it. So anyway, I just want to show this to y'all. This will be my final video on the test, and y'all have a great day. I'm loving this beautiful weather, and it's supposed to be pretty like this until well into next week. And I am so thankful because it's been cruddy and cold and nasty and rainy the last 2 or 3 weeks. So at any rate, have a great day, like I said, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye now.